teman-teman, hari ini kita akan belajar kosakata bahasa Inggris tentang what are you doing? Kamu lagi ngapain? Jadi menanyakan apa yang sedang kita lakukan ya. Teaching students. Teaching students, mengajar murid. I am teaching students right now. Saya sedang mengajar murid sekarang. Reading a book. Reading a book, membaca buku. I'm reading a book at the moment. Saya sedang membaca buku saat ini. Playing a game. Playing a game, bermain game. She is playing a game. Dia sedang bermain game. Writing a story. Writing a story, menulis cerita. My sister is writing a story. Saudara perempuanku sedang menulis sebuah cerita. Throwing trash. Throwing trash, membuang sampah. I am throwing trash at the moment. Saya sedang membuang sampah sekarang. Paying for foods. Paying for foods, membayar makanan. I am paying for foods in the cashier. Saya sedang membayar makanan di kasir. Raising hand. Raising hand. She is raising her hand. She is raising her hand. Dia sedang mengangkat tangan. Jadi mau jawab biasanya ya, angkat tangan dulu, baru disuruh jawab gitu ya. Bringing his shoes. Bringing his shoes, membawa sepatunya. She is bringing his shoes. Dia sedang membawa sepatunya. Doing homework. Doing homework, mengerjakan PR. Martha is doing homework. Martha sedang mengerjakan PR. Washing the dishes. Washing the dishes, mencuci piring. My mother is washing the dishes. Ibuku sedang mencuci piring. Drawing a cat. Drawing a cat, menggambar kucing. I am drawing a cat. Saya sedang menggambar kucing. Baking cakes. Baking cakes, membuat kue. My mother is baking cakes. Ibuku sedang membuat kue. Drinking tea. Drinking tea, minum teh. Tom is drinking tea. Tom sedang minum teh. Preparing lunch. Preparing lunch. My sister is preparing lunch. Saudara perempuanku sedang menyiapkan makan siang. Playing in the schoolyard. Playing in the schoolyard, bermain di halaman sekolah. The students are playing in the schoolyard. Para murid itu sedang bermain di halaman sekolah. Break time. Break time, istirahat. It is a break time. Ini waktunya istirahat. Under a big tree. Under a big tree, di bawah pohon. The girl is sitting under a big tree. Gadis itu sedang duduk di bawah pohon. Standing beside her. Standing beside her, berdiri di sampingnya. A boy is standing beside her. Seorang anak laki-laki sedang berdiri di sampingnya. Sitting on the bench. Sitting on the bench, duduk di bangku. She is sitting on the bench in the park. Dia sedang duduk di bangku di taman. Nah, bench ini bangku atau kursi yang kursi panjang tetapi tidak ada sandarannya ya. Biasa tersedia di taman atau di ruang tunggu sekolah gitu ya, namanya bench. Kalau yang ada sandarannya namanya chair. Jadi beda-beda nama kursinya ya. Washing my hands. Washing my hands, mencuci tanganku. I am washing my hands. Saya sedang mencuci tanganku. Going to school. Going to school, pergi ke sekolah. My brother and I are going to school. Saudara laki-lakiku dan saya pergi ke sekolah. Leaving the house. Leaving the house. I am leaving the house after locking it. Saya meninggalkan rumah setelah menguncinya. Ya, leaving the house, meninggalkan rumah. With his father. With his father, bersama ayahnya. He is going to the park with his father. Dia sedang pergi ke taman bersama ayahnya. Around 7 o'clock. Around 7 o'clock. Sekitar jam 7. She is doing homework around 7 o'clock. Dia sedang mengerjakan PR sekitar jam 7. Entering the class. Entering the class, memasuki kelas. I am entering the class. Saya sedang memasuki kelas. Ready to study. Ready to study, siap untuk belajar. I'm ready to study now. Saya siap untuk belajar sekarang. In the schoolyard. In the schoolyard, di halaman sekolah. We are playing in the schoolyard. Kita sedang bermain di halaman sekolah. In the cafeteria. In the cafeteria, di cafe. We are having lunch in the cafeteria. Kita sedang makan siang di cafeteria, di cafe. On the notebook. On the notebook, di buku catatan. I am writing on the notebook. Saya sedang menulis di buku catatan. In the trash can. In the trash can, di tempat sampah. I am throwing the trash in the trash can. Saya sedang membuang sampah ke tempat sampah. Oke, jadi itu dia tadi kosakata yang kita pelajari tentang aktivitas yang sedang dilakukan ya. Bye.